So in this question, by considering only the principal values of the inverse trigonometric function, we have to find the value of tan of sine inverse of 3 by 5 minus 2 times of cos inverse of 2 by square root 5. So let us first suppose sine inverse of 3 by 5 equals to alpha and cos inverse of and 2 times of cos inverse of 2 by square root 5 as beta. So we can write sine alpha is equals to 3 by 5 and cos beta by 2 is equals to 2 by root 5. So that means we just have to calculate the value of tan of alpha minus beta here, and that will be equals to tan of alpha minus tan of beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. So we just have to calculate the value of tan alpha and tan beta here. So as it is given that sine alpha is equals to 3 by 5, that means here perpendicular length is 3 units and hypotenuse length is 5 units. So base will be equals to 4 units here. So tan alpha will be equals to perpendicular upon base, that is 3 by 4. So the value of tan alpha is 3 by 4, and we can similarly calculate the value of tan beta. So for this we have given that cos of beta by 2 is 2 by root 5. So for this we can calculate the value of tan beta by 2. So tan beta by 2 will be equals to perpendicular upon base. So here base is 2 and perpendicular will be square root of hypotenuse square minus base square, that is 5 minus 4. So 1. So tan of beta by 2 will be equals to 1. Now we have to calculate the value of tan beta. So tan beta will be equals to 2 times of tan beta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square beta by 2, that is 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 minus 1 by 4. So we are getting the value of tan beta as 4 by 3. So now we have tan alpha and tan beta. We can put this value in this equation. So tan of alpha minus beta will be equals to tan alpha is 3 by 4 and tan beta is 4 by 3 divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. So now in numerator we can take the LCM. So 12 is the LCM and 9 minus 16 divided by 1 plus 1, that is we are getting the solution is minus 7 by 24. So the value is minus 7 by 24, which is given in option B. That means option B should be correct. Now let us verify it. Yes, B is the correct answer. Thank you.